What's up, back? In this video, we will be showing you a method of attaching a back to a face frame cabinet. There are several methods one may use to attach a back to a lower cabinet. However, I choose a 3/4 inch thick back of the same material that we use in the Carcass. In this case, 3/4 of an inch thick plywood. It would be melamine if I was using melamine. And I actually square the cabinet with the back as long as the back was cut square. I will cut the back 1/16 of an inch less in width and in length and use that to square the back. I will use my staple gun, start in a corner, line up both corners as flush as possible, and tack one staple about 2 inches from the corners. Then I will go along the top and check on the other corner, verifying that it is as flush as possible, and tack that. Hopefully, it's going to be the same all the way through, as flush as possible. Nail that off. Go down the whole edge, tack the opposing corner, verify that that's all flush, nail that off. Now, if all bets are on, there should be a 1/16 of an inch reveal along the bottom as well as the side, and I'll keep nailing it off. Now the back should be square, and I need to attach the back with screws about one every 8 inches on center. This really needs to be rigid because I will install the cabinet using this back. Notice I've got the staple gun. I've laid it out with that large blue speed square, which is a great tool. And then I will pre-drill for the screws. And again, I'm using number 8 1.5 inch long screws, coarse threads only in my department, and every screw must be pre-drilled. This really keeps the cabinet in the relationship you want, which is square, especially if I might have an inset door. In this case I do, but if I was using butt hinges like we did in 1910, this would rigidify the cabinet in a very secure way so that as I fit the hinges in the shop, hopefully I won't need too much trimming of the doors, the gaps, the tolerances when I'm out in the field. Lay out those marks, line them up, pre-drill with a 3-in-1 bit, and you have a back. Thank you. See you next time.